Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit chaat step by step. Start by washing and drying all fruits, then peel and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Toss fruits gently in a large bowl so textures stay intact. Sprinkle chaat masala, roasted cumin, and a pinch of black salt, then add lemon juice and honey to taste and mix carefully until flavors meld. In this video, I will show how to make fruit chaat step by step. Use a sharp knife and stable board to create consistent cubes and slices for even flavor distribution. Keep delicate fruits separate until final mixing to prevent bruising. Aim for similar-sized pieces so each spoonful contains several fruits, and maintain clean hands and utensils for freshness and safety throughout the prep process. In this video, I will show how to make fruit chaat step by step. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for flipping through recipe steps and storing your favorite chaat ideas. It reads comfortably in bright kitchens and on quiet balconies, making it easy to follow along while you cook. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make fruit chaat step by step. Start by adding lemon juice, a light drizzle of honey, and a measured sprinkle of chaat masala to the bowl. Toss gently with a spatula so soft fruits stay intact while spices coat everything evenly. Taste and tweak seasoning, then chill for a short time before serving to let flavors settle and meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.